Imagine applying for a job in 5 years. Instead of competing against 50 other applicants, you're competing against an AI employee that never sleeps, never takes vacation, never asks for a raise, and can complete a week's worth of work in an afternoon. Sounds dystopian, but here's the twist. That future isn't coming. It's already here. Companies around the world are quietly replacing repetitive work with AI, not because they dislike people, but because they're trying to survive in a more competitive economy. So the real question isn't, will AI replace humans? It's, will we still hire humans at all? Chapter 1. Why companies hire people. Businesses don't hire people because they like paying salaries. They hire people to solve problems. Every employee represents an investment. You pay someone because you believe they'll create more value than they cost. For decades, the equation looked simple. Need more work done? Hire more people. But AI changes that equation. Now companies can scale output without scaling headcount. That's something we've never seen before. Chapter 2. AI isn't replacing jobs, it's replacing tasks. Here's where most conversations go wrong. Jobs aren't disappearing overnight, tasks are. An accountant doesn't only do bookkeeping, a marketer doesn't only write copy, a software engineer doesn't only write code. Every profession consists of dozens of different tasks. AI is quietly taking over many of those tasks. That means people spend less time producing and more time deciding. The job survives, but it changes. Chapter 3. Meet your new coworker. Imagine a startup in 2030. One founder, 3 human employees, 20 AI agents. One handles customer support, another writes documentation, another tests software, another books meetings, another analyzes competitors. Instead of hiring 20 people, the company hires 20 digital workers. The humans become managers of intelligence, not producers of labor. Chapter 4. What humans still do. Better. There are still things AI struggles with. Building trust, leading teams, negotiating, understanding culture, making ethical decisions, creating vision, connecting emotionally. The future rewards people who combine human judgment with AI execution. Think less worker, more orchestra conductor. Chapter 5. The biggest opportunity. This shift creates enormous opportunity. One person can build companies that once required hundreds. Small teams become global businesses. Startups launch faster. Ideas reach the market sooner. History shows that technology usually removes some jobs, while creating entirely new industries. AI won't end work. It will redefine it. So, will we still hire humans? Yes, just fewer of them. And the people who thrive won't be the ones competing against AI. They'll be the ones learning how to work with it. The future doesn't belong to humans or AI. It belongs to humans who know how to build with AI. If this helped you understand where work is going, subscribe to Future Proof. Every week, we break down the technologies, startups, and ideas shaping what comes next, so you can stay ahead of the future before it arrives.